Right, so this video pretty much covers the car seat installation for the Britax Romer Evolva 123. Before we proceed, please note that children with a body weight of less than 15 kg must be secured in the Evolva 123 with the child seatbelt built-in 5-point harness. It is recommended that a 5-point harness is utilized until your child has got a body weight of about 18 kg. So firstly, bring the seat belt down as one belt, holding together. And to maneuver the seat belt through the back of the car seat, we'll need to turn the child seat away from the vehicle seat slightly. So the aim is to place a diagonal seat belt section and a lap belt section on the side of the vehicle seat buckle into the belt guides, whilst ensuring that the buckle tongues engage in the vehicle seat buckle. So essentially feed the belt from the front to the back, ensuring that it doesn't twist. So basically keep extending the belt through the apertures, them two hole apertures, until you're able to get the belt through to the front again. And once you've got the buckle through the second hole, turn the seat back to its correct orientation and facing forward. Also ensure that you pull out enough belt so that you're able to fasten the buckle. So pretty much once the buckle tongues engage in the vehicle seat buckle, you will hear an audible click, okay? So basically, a successful installation checklist should encompass that the child seat is securely fastened in the vehicle seat belt is tightened up and not twisted, that the lap belt sections run through both light red belt guides, and lastly, that the diagonal seat belt section on the opposite side from the vehicle seat buckle runs between the wing and the headrest. After the buckle tongue engages, it is recommended, for the next step that you utilize your knees to press the child's seat to tighten the vehicle seat belt. Essentially, by applying your knee weight on the seat whilst pulling tight on the belt loop, and with your left hand, hold and take the slack to the top of the belt, tucking it behind the headrest. But I've got bad knees, so what I've done is to hold down the lower part of the diagonal seat belt section tight. I've pulled on the diagonal seat belt section above the belt path forward to pull the loose belt through. So basically, pulling firmly on the upper part of the diagonal seat belt section to tighten the entire vehicle belt. And so then afterwards, check that the installation is correct by holding the harness and making sure that it's firm and secure. When in use, place your child's arms through the shoulder straps and bring them two buckle tongues together so that the interlocking mechanism interlocks. Then subsequently fasten the two buckle tongues into the buckle until a click is audible. Adjust the shoulder straps, ensuring there isn't any twist in there, and then subsequently pull the harness tight with the adjuster strap. The harness should be tightened enough so that you can get two fingers underneath. So if you see here, I'm ensuring that there are no twists, on the seat belt. I'll straighten that out, and also take cognizance that the headrest, should be much lower. I haven't got like a real baby, so this is just for demonstration purposes. But just take note that the headrest should be, behind the baby's head and not far up. Okay, not up there. Okay, it should be lowered down, so that the child is comfortable and secure. If you found the information in this video useful, don't forget to subscribe and share, and hopefully catch up with you soon. Goodbye.